Wi-Fi is everywhere, streaming, banking, working, but how secure is it really? Today, we're exposing the powerful Wi-Fi hacking tools anyone can find on GitHub. These tools aren't just for hackers. Security pros use them to test and strengthen networks. But remember, this is for education only. Never use these tools on networks you don't own or have permission to test. Let's break down how these tools work, what threats they pose, and how you can protect yourself. Ready to level up your cybersecurity? Let's get started. First up is Airgeddon, the Swiss Army knife of Wi-Fi auditing. Just like the iconic multi-tool, Airgeddon packs a surprising number of features into one easy-to-use package, making it a favorite among both beginners and seasoned cybersecurity enthusiasts. Airgeddon bundles famous tools like AirCrackNG and Reaver into a single menu-driven interface, making complex attacks simple for beginners. Instead of juggling multiple programs or memorizing complicated commands, you get a streamlined experience where everything you need is just a few clicks away. Want to capture a WPA handshake or set up an evil twin? Just select it from the menu. No command line chaos. Airgeddon guides you step by step so you can focus on learning the process, rather than getting stuck on technical details. It automates multi-step attacks, scan for networks, select a target, launch deauthentication attacks, and capture handshakes, all with guided prompts. This automation not only saves time, but also reduces the chance of making mistakes, especially for those new to Wi-Fi security testing. Airgeddon checks dependencies, supports a wide range of attack vectors, and streamlines the workflow for penetration testers. Whether you're testing WPA2, WPA3, or even exploring advanced attacks, Airgeddon keeps everything organized and accessible. It doesn't invent new attacks, but it makes powerful techniques accessible to anyone. By bringing together the best open-source tools under one roof, Airgeddon lowers the barrier to entry for Wi-Fi security research. If you want to learn Wi-Fi security without getting lost in syntax, Airgeddon is your launchpad. It's the perfect starting point for anyone curious about ethical hacking, network defense, or simply understanding how wireless security works in the real world. Fluxion isn't about brute-forcing passwords or cracking complex encryption algorithms. Instead, it's a tool that preys on human psychology, using deception and manipulation to get what it wants. Rather than attacking the technology directly, Fluxion targets the people who use it, making it a masterclass in social engineering. It automates the notorious evil twin attack, creating a fake Wi-Fi access point that looks identical to the real one, right down to the network name and appearance. This clone is so convincing that most users can't tell the difference, especially when they're in a hurry or distracted. Once the fake network is ready, Fluxion forcibly disconnects users from the legitimate Wi-Fi, leaving them suddenly offline and confused. This disruption is key. It creates a sense of urgency and frustration, making users more likely to fall for the next step. When users try to reconnect, they're seamlessly redirected to a highly convincing fake login page. Sometimes it's disguised as a routine firmware update or a system error, making it seem like a normal part of getting back online. Anxious to restore their connection, most people don't think twice. They simply enter their Wi-Fi password, believing it's required to fix the issue. Fluxion instantly captures and verifies the password, giving the attacker access in seconds. The attack is over almost as quickly as it began, and the user is allowed to reconnect to the real network. Most victims never realize anything happened. They're back online, browsing as usual, completely unaware that their credentials have been stolen. Fluxion is a powerful demonstration that even the strongest technical defenses can be rendered useless by a single moment of human error or inattention. It's a stark reminder that user awareness and education are just as critical as strong passwords and encryption. In cybersecurity, the human element is often the weakest link. Wi-Fi 2 is the set-it-and-forget-it tool for capturing WPA handshakes. Launch it, and it scans, prioritizes active networks, and automates DOS attacks to grab handshakes. No manual steps required. It cycles through targets, saves captured handshakes, and even tries WPS PIN attacks, if available. The interface updates in real time, showing progress and results. Wi-Fi 2 is perfect for pen testers who want to gather cracking material quickly and efficiently. Start it, walk away, and return to a folder full of handshakes ready for offline cracking. It's a masterclass in automation for Wi-Fi auditing. BetterCap is a professional-grade framework for network penetration testing, specializing in man-in-the-middle or MITM attacks. It's a favorite tool among cybersecurity professionals and ethical hackers, but it's also a powerful reminder of the risks lurking in unsecured networks. With BetterCap, attackers can quietly slip between devices on a network, intercepting and manipulating data in real time, often without anyone noticing. It intercepts, views, and modifies traffic between devices. Think of it as an invisible toll booth on your network's data highway, silently collecting and altering information as it passes by. This means sensitive data like passwords, emails, and even financial details can be exposed or changed before reaching their destination. Using ARP spoofing, BetterCap tricks devices into routing all their traffic through your machine. This classic attack method is shockingly effective, allowing the attacker to become the digital middleman for every device on the network, from laptops to smart home gadgets. Its modular caplets let you sniff traffic, inject scripts, create fake access points, and even redirect users to phishing pages. These caplets are like mini programs, each designed for a specific attack or test, making BetterCap incredibly flexible and customizable for different scenarios. The latest version is fast, stable, and features a slick web interface for managing complex attacks. This dashboard makes it easier than ever to launch, monitor, and control multiple attack modules at once, even for those new to penetration testing. BetterCap demonstrates just how much damage is possible once an attacker is inside your network. From stealing credentials to injecting malicious code, the consequences can be severe and far-reaching, affecting both individuals and organizations. It's a wake-up call for anyone who thinks their local network is safe by default. Even at home or in small offices, the risks are real, and attackers are always looking for easy targets. Secure segmentation and vigilance are essential. Regularly update your devices, use strong passwords, and monitor your network for unusual activity. Because in today's digital world, staying one step ahead is the only way to stay safe. Kismet is the ultimate passive reconnaissance tool for wireless networks. It detects Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Zigbee, and more, logging every signal in the air. By putting your card in monitor mode, Kismet captures all packets, even from hidden networks. It builds a detailed map of your wireless environment, exposing rogue access points and suspicious activity. Kismet acts as an intrusion detection system, alerting you to attacks like Duth floods or evil twins. Its client-server setup lets you monitor remotely, making it ideal for both hobbyists and professionals. If you want to see everything happening in your airspace, Kismet is indispensable. Wi-Fi Pumpkin 3 takes evil twin attacks to the next level, letting you build custom rogue access points with powerful plugins, set up a fake AP, lure users in, and route all their traffic through your machine, enable plugins to capture credentials, inject malicious scripts, or redirect users. All with a visual dashboard. Its captive portal feature lets you craft convincing phishing pages tailored to your fake network. Written in Python with a modern GUI, Wi-Fi Pumpkin 3 is accessible, yet powerful. It's a vivid demonstration of why you should never trust public Wi-Fi. Connecting to unknown networks can expose all your data to attackers. eFammer targets the big leagues. WPA2 enterprise networks used by corporations and universities. It specializes in evil twin attacks against enterprise authentication, harvesting credentials by mimicking legitimate networks. eFammer tricks devices into using weaker protocols like MSECHEEAPv2, capturing password hashes for offline cracking. It can also perform karma attacks, responding to any probe request, and even steal radius secrets. For red teamers, eFammer is a must-have for testing enterprise wireless security. It proves that even advanced networks can be vulnerable if not configured correctly. Enterprise security is only as strong as its weakest link. Cowpatty is a classic tool for offline dictionary attacks against WPA, docs WPA2 PSK handshakes. After capturing a handshake, Cowpatty runs through a word list, checking each password guess against the cryptographic data. Its pre-computation feature speeds up attacks by generating hash tables for specific networks. While less flexible than modern tools, Cowpatty is a great way to understand the basics of Wi-Fi password cracking. It's a reminder, your network is only as secure as your password. Choose long, unique passphrases to stay safe. Reaver exploits a critical flaw in WPS, a feature meant to make Wi-Fi setup easy. Instead of cracking the main password, Reaver brute forces the WPS PIN, which is split into two parts, making the attack much faster. With just 11,000 guesses, Reaver can extract the full WPA2 password from vulnerable routers. Many manufacturers have patched this, but plenty of older routers remain exposed. Reaver is a lesson in how convenience features can create massive security holes. Always disable WPS if possible. Don't let a shortcut become your network's downfall. Hashcat is the king of password cracking, using GPU power to try billions of guesses per second. It cracks hashes from Wi-Fi handshakes, enterprise networks, and more, supporting dictionary, rule-based, combination, and brute force attacks. You can tailor attacks with masks and patterns, making the process even faster. Hashcat's speed means short, simple passwords are no match. For serious security, use long, random passphrases. Hashcat sets the standard for password security testing. If your password is weak, Hashcat will find it fast. We've explored 10 powerful Wi-Fi hacking tools. Now use this knowledge to defend, not attack. Understanding these threats is the first step to securing your network. Never use these tools without permission. The legal risks are real. Protect yourself. Disable WPS. Use strong, unique passphrases and be wary of unexpected disconnects or suspicious login prompts. User awareness is your best shield. If you learned something new, like, share, and subscribe for more tech deep dives. Stay safe out there.